the content is one thing, but also just the friendships and relationships that we make. Whether it's talking at lunch, the sponsored happy hours after the event, I would say that is something that has helped in the long term, especially coming back year after year.
Definitely, it's worth it. It's absolutely worth coming. If you've got a question whether or not you need to come so you learn all the things that you're not doing that you need to be.
I think it's really important to connect with the industry, right? To actually see face to face and really meet cross company. We often get really siloed in what we're doing. We forget that, it's not just a Slack channel or an email, that there's people on the other side that have really interesting and important jobs. Also, it's been cool to meet everybody and understand exactly what is their actual product, not just the part that I interact with.